Welcome back to my Star Technology run, where I will be only using the crate logistics to play through the pack and avoid using Applied Energetics. As you can see here, a few more stuff than after the end of the last episode. The thing is, I just streamed for 30 minutes and didn't realize until after 30 minutes that my microphone wasn't turned on. So, what did I do? Basically, I created this main storage chest, the colossal chest, copper chest, and connected the frog ports and packages, and here also some frog ports. So, first thing, this packager here is connected to the chest interface and acts as the main storage supplier. So this one is set to only send packages and connected to StockLink. And this one here is connected to the interface and is the return frog port. I built it like this because in my test run until the HV8, I got a problem that when there was a lot of items incoming to the main chest from Greg machines and the crate machines, the frog ports, or the one frog port I had connected, was too slow to get all the packages back into the chest. So later on I had 4 of these connected to chests which were connected to the packages that put the items in the chest. That's this setup. And items go back to this main return because on the output of these contraptions are packages that are labeled main return with a signboard, and a lever is switched to on. So this packager is always taking items from the barrels here and sending the items back to the main storage. I can just put, for example, this one in here. As you can see, it goes around and is put back into the main storage. Same here. This one is connected to the crafters and the mechanical press. Then, next step, I named a few of these. So this one is the crate smelter. It's a crate smelter because we will have a GregTech smelter as well. So that's why I put crate there. Same for the bender. So we have a crate bender and a GregTech bender. And this one is just the crafter, the mechanical crafter. Then I started building this automation wall for the factory gauges, and then I realized the microphone was not turned on. So that's basically all. And this clipboard here, if you write the name of a frog port, like so, then it is easier to choose it here instead of always typing crafter again, for example. Alright, so I was just planning to put some iron in the storage to see if this crafting of nuggets is working. So, iron. It should trigger this. And being... Ah! I forgot... No. I did not forget the repackager. Where is... Or did I forget the repackager? Maybe I forgot. Okay, one moment. And out of cardboard, of course. But I set up this thing here last episode. And of course there were no saplings anymore inside. Oh. Yeah. The first obsidian is going to be used for making the void upgrade. For now I should maybe put... Oh, this much. Okay. Okay, I will actually just turn off the machine. Yeah, as I said in the last episode, we will have enough wood for the entire run with this farm. Probably. Okay, I need to wait a bit for getting the pulp. Huh? What was that? Oh, the problem is right now. What I just forgot to explain. So, in my playthrough before, I got a problem that many of the promises were not being fulfilled. Even I had the items and everything ready. So I don't know what the problem was exactly, but I just solved it by set the expiration timer to 1 minute, for example. And then they would just restart the request after some time. Right now, of course, it's not fulfilling the promises because the packager is... the repackager is not built here. But anyway, I will just let these being in here and then let them craft all. Because I need a lot of nuggets anyway. Okay. And packager. And the repackager is done like this. And connect. But now none of these have to be repacked. This should go here and there. Oh yes. They work in parallel. Very fast crafting. And this one is now green. So let's get some andesite. And the next step is and for normal crafting recipes, just click this symbol after connecting the gauges and it will automatically put this recipe for the items connected. And here also a minute, and then maybe like 32 is enough. So if, for example, now the iron nuggets and the andesite would be coming from two different locations, the repackager would need to repack both of these packages into one package before putting them inside the crafter, because otherwise the crafter cannot make the item. . 32 andesite ores. Next step is using these andesite alloys and making the shafts. These are here. Connect them. Recipe. Go to the crafter. Set it to 1 minute. Maybe make like 32 shafts. Then next thing, the cogwheels. So for these we need the planks. So we need logs that are made to planks, and we can already make we need barrels anyway, so we can also make the slabs already. So from the planks, the slabs. And then here maybe the both of the cogwheels. Logs and planks. I think this is also, yeah. Then so, and then cogwheels. Like this, this. After 1 minute, make like a stack. 2 stacks are 2 stacks of wood. We have definitely enough logs for that now. And also make a stack of not a stack, but like 30. And let's say 8 of each. First, the recipe. Make 8 of this one. Recipe. Then make 8 of this. Okay. You can imagine now that now it's like maybe 5-6 crafting processes, but later it's gonna be 50-60. So, and as you can see how busy the main line here is already, we are going to need more frog pots here to accept items. Okay. Next step for the... Okay, these two we have. This one we have. Andesite as well. Precision mechanism. We should have everything for that. The gold plates. Okay, let's put the gold ingots in here. First we need some gold plates anyway. Because I need to make more precision mechanisms to craft more factory gauges. And I'm gonna take the cogwheels out of here and put them here. I should actually, I don't know. After I'm done here, I'm gonna transfer all of the storage. Okay, 4. Okay, no more copper plates. Copper is not enough. So... maybe some iron as well. The gold and even more copper. Okay. Then make stock links. I just make this many now. I should make another wall because I want to separate the bending and smelting to different walls. Let's say here is the smelting area. Then here's the bending area. And also I need to put the, I think, create smelter, create bender, yeah, are the names. Smelter, create bender. The clipboard can be in almost any location here. The range is quite high for these to get the name from the clipboard. Then to craft these here, I need to smelt copper and bend them as well into the copper plates. So first I will make, I will craft a signboard to, signs, not signboard, to write down where's one. This one is just a normal craft, I'm not gonna write anything here, but this one is the smelter. And here we have metal bending, copper ingots become copper plates. And that goes to the create bender, and I'm already going to define small batch processing. And let's say I always want 10 plates. Okay, this should go here. 3, 4, 5. So we should get the 10. Then, next step, we have the copper ingots that make the lightning rods, plus the plates and redstone. Plate and the redstone. These are going to make lightning rods. Already out of factory gauges. That's why the first thing here I'm making are factory gauges, because yeah, we will need tons of these. Crafter. Make like 4. Then yeah, I need to wait. Or craft few manually here. Then I think I was out of walls as well. Iron plates probably. Yeah. Or iron ingots already. But I think I put some iron dust here. I thought so, at least. Then, okay, I think I actually need to smelt some more ores. Is this one no, this one is not running again. Why? Ah, yeah. There's the iron dust. But anyway. Okay, I just smelt ore. What else? We need that. Oh, yeah, right. Precision mechanism. Maybe just one. So we need more of this. Oh, what is happening? Gold ingots are not in the filter. Wait. Maybe that's why the iron didn't arrive before. But okay. I needed plates, I think, for... yeah. Just make 45. Okay, some storage links. And factory gauges. Okay, next thing. First thing is always connect to the stop link. Then this one is this. We need the rod. This and that can be crafted. The crafter or as well. Then we need barrels, which are made from... oh no, I have it here already. Which are made from these and that. The crafter barrels, I'm gonna make a few more because I'm gonna use them for the packager like this anyway. Then... oh no, redstone. Then we need metal plates, iron plates I mean, to make the walls. Why? Oh no, they're making, okay. Because this is, yeah, crafting right now. 5. Okay, that should start as well, yep. Then metal plates I just put here. The vault goes here. Then combine the barrel with the metal plates to get the vault and the crafter. These I don't need so many, like 3 maybe. Small buffer. Then I need more Actually, if I make 4 of these, I should make 4 of these, then it's fine. Good thing is now I can just take the items out of here and continue the craft manually. Except the... of course the precision mechanism as well. Like this. Bucklings. And the gauges. Okay, we need the precision mechanism. Then the stocklings. And finally the gauges. So this one stockling, this one the mechanism, crafter I make here, I make like 3. Precision mechanism can also be 3. Nuggets. And the gold plate. I just put it here. No gold plates, so of course I also need to make the gold plates. No. Like this. And make like 10 of these as well. Then, yeah, gold plate here. The crafter, make 3. And then combine these two to make factory gauges. And 1 recipe makes 2, yeah. They actually recognize that, okay. 10. Okay. That is the first basic automation done. For factory gauges. Okay, I will now go and transfer most of the items into the main storage. Maybe some wood I'm going to leave. Ah no, the copper chest has more than enough space. Yeah. And anyway, I'm going to expand this one to 4x4. everything crafted. Yes, 10 factory gauges. And that was very fast. And at this stage of the game, I'm like still in the early game. I have not even built any LV machine hull. I have built, but yeah, I'm not really in the LV age. So doing this kind of process with applied energetics is still like not even possible, but we already have this automation up and running. So I think the crate logistics system is actually quite good. Okay, then get this one. Connect. Okay. Next, automation setup. First of all, I have to get more iron to make more wrought iron. Can I already build the... this actually can already be gone. Can I already build the item collector? I need steel. How much steel? Yeah. Of course, I'm going to put that here. And now they should be automatically collected, yeah. Okay, this should be running actually. Then I think I should start now with the... Why is this chest I don't need here? I think I should start with the area to crush cobblestone. I want to use the granite for that, but I think I don't have enough. So this was made using iodide and nether quartz, and nether quartz was sifting sand. Okay. Then I'm gonna sift a lot of sand and build the area. Yeah, that is definitely not enough. Okay, I want the water is coming maybe from here. No. The accumulator goes here. Maybe one water source there. So here is some water. water pipes. Then also this way maybe. And then I will connect stone barrels, these ones, maybe 2 for now. They make cobblestone. And here the water goes to make mycelia maybe, like in, I say 4 wood barrels because we need 4 blackstone and the spores in the large barrel. And then cobblestone, basically there should be 1 drawer here with a packager, or no, 1 drawer here, packager goes here, and this is basically the base supply of cobblestone. Then now I need the crushing wheels to see how much space. Say no. Let's say I'm going to make dusts in the bottom here. Then I need the 3 crushing wheels. And I can put like, I think that is fine. Looks a bit weird. Maybe 1 more. And then, so we got 2. And here comes the dust. The drawer with the dust. Okay, then that means that is enough distance. Here is here's another chest. Here's the, okay. Here's the barrel. Here goes a barrel with cobblestone, which then goes in there to become dust in the end. Or actually, I will put on the lower level here, I will make sand. The coarse sand has 2 byproducts. The setup for the byproducts is maybe easier if it's on the ground, because I don't have any jet boots. Because I want to stack these on top of each other, so I can just connect the... I just need to get the rotation for the crushing wheels correct once, and then these will be just on top of each other. Okay. That means I need more granite. And yeah, I needed the sand for that, I think. Oh no. let's see if that's going to be enough nether quartz for making the granite. So, okay. Let's see. Okay, I will extend it later to put here is then this barrel area with for obsidian and the spores, and also for making actually the granite pebbles with lava and water, and the direct pebbles. Okay, so I need actually a lot of belts. One now, okay. No, actually, it's got it. Stay there. This goes here, then barrel. I already have. Ah, yeah, because I tried to craft the big ones, but okay. Then this goes here, and no. Here goes on the rows. Then I have to get a tunnel and filter. Actually, more than. I need 3. And yeah, one is the belt is connected through here. And here the products come out. So I need here this and then like so. Yeah. That means the drawer goes here and one goes here and then one goes here. We need a filter for sand. This is a lava list. Yeah. Then this one clay goes maybe here. Ah, first I need to connect the build. And I don't have any more bits. Let's see if I can smelt the kelp. Yeah, they always say that here I can do the dried kelp, but last time I got the problem that it was just deleting the kelp. Or was it with the slime balls? I forgot. Either the spores? No, they should also be fine. Ah, yeah. It is gone. I don't know. So kelp is just going to be here still. Do I have more iron? No. But anyway, soon. Yay. This one has sand. No, it needs to be flint. And I can already build the drawers. So the cobblestone drawer, flint, sand, and clay. Yeah, I just need to power these two, and then the rest is automatically. I have a connector with the belt. With the jack boots, this is not necessary anymore. But right now, I still need to build this floor area here, ground floor area, so I don't drop. Yeah, more kelp. I will put the something like this here. So because the connection is only going to be here, encased chain drive. And the rest will be connected with shafts. So the next level is going to be like 2 maybe above. That means here. Cobblestone. Already gonna make a drawer. That's now for the gravel. So 1, 2. And the drawer. Ah. I need the jet boots immediately. Actually, to not go up there anymore, I should already put the funnels. And that's connected to here. And we got the crushing wheels. Where did that go? Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's fine. One. Okay. Oh, yes. Well. That's two, right? Yep. And then these go here. Then, so this is gravel, that's sand, and then, I mean, this is dust, that's sand, and then here is gravel, which means I only need two. And above that is the blackstone. So to connect these, here to give all of them power. And then I should bring some funnels. Funnel there. Just make that amount. And actually I can already connect maybe the item pipe. No brass plates. Yeah, okay, we need brass. Brass, dust. Yeah, the chest funnel. So this is like two. Yeah. Two. Ah, the. No, not this way. And on. First funnel. One. Oh, all right. Why? Okay. And that's it. Yeah. Then on the other side, the drawers. Drawer. And there goes another one. Okay, one can be connected. And the funnel. Okay, this one is done. No, don't put the cobblestone on there. And next one is this one here. Nah, I knew it. Ah, okay. Oh, okay, this one is going to be and here. No, okay. One. No. Okay. Yeah, that's here and then here. And the fun. Get this cobblestone out. This one as well. Okay, this should crush the blackstone, gravel, dust, and sand. Nice, nice, nice. No. Hey, hypercrafting. Yeah. Well, I did a run with Applied Energetics and to the almost the Stargate, but since I saw this crate update 6 with these conveyor belts, yeah, I was very interested to create this challenge to make everything with these. And I did a run until the HV to test if this even works. And it was actually not that painful. Just sometimes, if you don't plan ahead too less, I say, like, if you build too less, like, you have a lot of wait time in between because everything is basically passive crafting. Ender drawers and modular ender drawers. What are ender drawers? Ah. Ah, okay. And then the modular routers put the stuff in the machines and then just everything. Okay, yeah. Wait, what was I gonna do? I was now Let's get the power to here. The good thing is precision mechanism is already automated, so rotation and speed controller easy. Then the wheel. So we need to get just one side correctly rotated, and then get a gearbox. No more casings. Why did I just break these? Okay. Then gearbox. So one goes here. No. Where's the wrench? There. And yeah, one here. No, I don't need that. I just need to connect these. No, of course not. We need to rotate in opposite ways. Okay. Wait, the power is actually coming in from here. Gearbox. And the shaft. Okay. Vertical gearbox. Okay. I think that's the correct rotation. Let me check. UHV buses hatches are too small. Oh, really? Well, wait, how much is in an UHV bus? 100 items, okay, and hatch are probably then 4 million buckets. Yeah, the problem is so in the first episode I uploaded to YouTube, I said I explained that I added a new mod here. So in the normal pack, this mod is not inside because you only have the factory gauges, and I added this mod here, factory logistics, because these allow fluid crafting. And the good thing is you can actually define millibuckets here. So if, for example, polyethylene or these kind of crafting recipes which have millibuckets in the assembler and this kind of thing, then that's actually fine. But the upper limit is 64 buckets, I think. Like, it's basically same as here, and this, oh no, 100 buckets. So maybe that will be the problem in the end game, that these actually cannot craft the amounts required. But since I make everything on passive, I just maybe make 2 of these or something, I don't know. But this is end game. It's gonna take a while. Okay, I forgot to check now the rotation. Okay, yeah, that's correct. So the other one just needs to rotate the other way. Ah, this was not a vertical one. Okay. The achievement already says the rotation is correct. Now the connection here for the every is okay, all are rotating. Yeah, good. Then gearbox. So how I want to connect all of them. Maybe no, I can't put the gearbox in there. That would change the rotation. But I can... No. Okay, I just put... I think I put it here and then... Ah, but that's pretty dirty. How to use the chain drives? And then just do this and that. And the rotation is already correct. So the rest just need to be connected with one of the belts. 1, 3, 4. Okay. No. Wait, is that distance enough? Okay. Okay, that looks better. Not really good, but like better than clipping through that. Okay, all correct. Yep. Then Next is here. Time simple storage is very usable. Very abusable. I often use the inventory connectors to supply items. I actually never used the inventory connectors. So what I thought about, because in my test run to test everything out, I connected the electric ore factory, to another colossal chest, and then put on that chest another packager with a stock link and set dust supply, for example. But maybe I should actually just connect, but then probably not, because I would. That's basically like I want to use these conveyors as much as possible, the chain conveyors. But yeah, I never actually used that inventory connector system. Maybe localized or something, like for the ore proc area or something. Next thing is, so if I put the gear here, this rotates not in the correct direction. So I need if I put it here, then alright, then but I just can put not this way. Can I now put that? Where's the girder? No. Okay, first I need to really put that. Then maybe this, and then that. Okay. Same thing on the other side. This way is rotating. Oh yeah, this way is rotating wrong. So this way. Yeah, I need a few more gearboxes. Then here is okay, that is also fine, and then here. All right. That should be everything. The funnels. And of course, yeah, the entire cobblestone production is not even done yet. But let's see. Here, here, and here. This should now make everything correctly. Here should be the dust. Here should be the... should be actually the sand. Okay. That can't work because there was no funnel yet. And there's a gravel, dust, sand. Okay, perfect. Then I will just break this area here. And just wait, how much? I will just make one more stack of that here before I break this. the accumulator. At least the stone. No, I just forgot to get the lava out before that. Okay. Damn it. Then here's the fluid pipes. Two barrels for cobblestone. I think cobblestone needed circuit. Okay. Problem is that these fluid pipes here, even I set this to enable input from output side, somehow they can't do that. And then first going to this drawer. I need more of these. I think I made brass. Yeah, to make more pipes. How is actually the TPS with the inventory connectors? Because I think I read about these item pipes here, and many people say they cause a lot of lag. Like, for example, if I would use the inventory connectors maybe here to... Can I automatically stock up cobblestone with the inventory connectors from maybe this? Like I set this here to automatically output into a storage network. Then this basically put items in here and the chest or something. Yeah, I also... Yeah, I read about that, and then that's why I try to avoid using that, but I also don't want to use laser IO so much, because I will need to use laser IO actually later, because for a clean room, for example. But yeah. Water can go... Where is the granite? Huh? Okay. Here is the accumulator then. These are going to make the cobblestone. Weighted. Ah. Hmm. Then, wait, ejectors. If these, what's the range? Yeah, but I need to transport fluids as well. That's the problem. But I think that would be like with like an item collector inside. But then also like what, like if you, for example, or maybe like with multiple item collectors on each laser and then eject the wafers directly into the range of each item collector for each wafer. But yeah, no. I will, for this I will use laser IO. Launch packages. The I don't know if so the fluids with the um, uh, with this crate factory logistics will be transported in these copper jars. But I don't know if I could eject them. But that would be actually funny. Like I will try that maybe. Once I have enough everything built, then I can just build a tiny test setup. Like I need basically what I need is like I can build an extractor inside for soldering alloy, for example, or the tin liquid for the circuits. But for the lubrication stuff for the cutter, this lubricant stuff is probably like I could make a bucket of lubricants and then eject that. That would may be possible. But then later in what was that? This bacterial stuff here, these sterile cleanroom things, then I need to maybe need distilled water. I don't know. But I don't know. Maybe I will build a super huge clean room and build a conveyor system inside that, which is receiving items from yeah, this kind of item hopper or something. Or actually, I think, which is the thing is, I think these go through walls. Yeah, I could actually just put these inside, I think. Like have one outside connected to the main thing, or have one inside the clean room. It looks pretty bad, but I think that would also be possible. Okay, this is working. Yeah, the dust. Just put a bit more like here. Maybe there's something like is there, what was this, some glass that has basically, I know I need to use clean room glass for that anyway if I want to build the clean room. Maybe from the distance it looks like the clean room is open and these just pass through some opening or something, but then it wouldn't be really a clean room anymore. I don't know. Next thing was, yeah, I was just crafting. I was waiting for the brass and make. I will just use these item pipes now for the beginning, and then check a bit more about the Inventory connectors. Inventory cable. Okay, this would basically treat... Okay, this would basically treat the drawer and these chests as one inventory, I guess, and then it would just output the stone into these instead of these each extracting, and then that is actually maybe because I will connect. Yeah, actually I will try this because I will make lava on this side here with cobblestone with the large stone barrels. So I need actually so many connections of these item pipes. But if it works how I think, and basically the the input buses and these chests and the drawer will be treated as one inventory, then that's actually, I guess, more efficient for TPS. And these are basically just wood. So I can, I just used up all the quartz. So I can actually also build a small automation for these already, if it works, what I'm planning to build. Have you already built the Stargate in one run? Press. No. Why is this there? Yay. Good. I can already bring this. Now I need to start just wait for more lava. Classic star. The ancient. Yeah. That's. Yeah, I didn't even do that yet. I gave up before. My goal is that basically one of these factory gauges are these Stargate components, and then I can see them being made. Thousands of packages being transported, building the Stargate. But then, of course, this year... Oh, is this? Ah, yeah. Yeah, this... If I can make the Maxwell with with the great factory system, that would be crazy. Neutonium. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure how I will build. I think I will just passive everything for the fusion reactor. The good thing is, so in my previous test run, I didn't have the mod yet, this fluid storage mod. But the good thing is, in a creative world, what I tested, this one here, the bottler, which is basically the packager for the fluids. If I put super tank, then I can just directly connect the bottler to that super tank, and it recognizes the fluids inside and can distribute them everywhere. So if I just set up fusion reactors that like basically dump everything in super tanks and these are connected to the bottlers, then maybe that's enough. Or it will probably take a lot of time for waiting. $225 of total fusion processing time. Okay. How many fusion reactors did you have? I saw some playthroughs where they built these huge towers of fusion reactors to make things faster. Okay, now and then I just have to wait for the lava. Meanwhile, I got the quartz now for making. Should actually this one connects the inventory to the inventory network. Okay, okay. So that means I probably have to use these. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna make one of this one for now. And then this just to test if it works what I'm trying to do. So connect that here. Then connect this one here. And output it here. Oh. So if it works how I think it does, it should dump the items into the storage. Ah. That have to be the same one. Mark III donut stack was 28 okay. Alright, 28. I think when I was playing last time, I did make neutronium, but I had one of the Mark IIIs, and I think 3 Mark IIs and 1 Mark I. I should have built more Mark I to get the Mark IIs faster. It was taking too long. Oh wait, here is the connector. I just made one. Oh no, wait, first I was... So this is going out, that's perfect. And yes, that's perfect. That works. So I need another one. And that should also put items in here. I don't know, maybe it's like round robin? Why it says 50? It counts everything in total maybe? 36 plus. Yeah, okay. Then I just need more of these. Wait, why did I do this one? Oh, no, no. That is not what I wanted to build here. That was supposed to go here. Okay. So after this one is full, it should now output the rest here. Inventory cabinet are like ME interface and storage bus. So this one here is then probably a storage bus, right? And this one here is an interface. Two full. You can't have two full block connectors in. You mean these? So what's gonna happen if this one is filling up? Wait, I'm gonna put a barrel here just to test something. And just quickly disable the... Wait, no, this one is from here. And what if I just dump everything in here? So now, okay, it's already going here. No. So that's the problem then. Oh, wait a minute. What is that? Because I enabled that. That should not be enabled. So this one is becoming more and more. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, this one is now... does not put it in here. Okay, so... okay, I can only have one. But then... one thing you could do is find a cobblestone out of an inventory connector. Directly. Okay, so... I take this one here. Can I configure that some? Press level 1. Oh no. There's a filtered version. Yeah. Wait a minute. So what happens if I put that? That is like not recognized as out. Oh no, because I didn't have any more cables. So I put them in here. But that works. So that one. And if I put another one here as well. And say like this. Now it maybe doesn't know where to put it and then. Okay, I will just play around with that maybe in the debug world. The full block connector is basically the control. So, okay. So I need basically one controller. And then does that work? Okay. That is working now. Then I put it maybe here in the corner. Okay. And I can dump this. Inventory hopper. Import export from your inventory network. Okay. Yeah, this one then. But this is probably gonna tick the network, right? Which means TPS. While this one maybe is just like trying to find the storage and then like dump it. And if it works with just these, then it's also one less item to craft and with the factory gauges. Let's see, I will put this over here. And yeah, now it's prioritizing this one. Let's see what's gonna happen after this one is full. Maybe it's gonna put it in here or there. Okay. But alright, first chain. I need to turn this thing back on. And I need a second. No, I don't need a second lava bucket. I need more water output. Okay. It is what it is. I need to do that. That's better. And one more lava. That should be enough cobblestone production to get the entire system running all the time. Almost done. Next thing are the mycelium spores, which I'm just gonna take this lava from here. I'm going to make 4 of these. And they are going to make the black stone. Okay. And what's this? Okay, good. Then another lava. I forgot to make one more connector. It's outputting, yeah. Okay, now it's going in here. Good. This should go into another stone barrel. And of course, I should increase the platform here, platform size, to build the area for the stone barrels, for the large barrels and the large stone barrels. So I need a bit more nether quartz. Okay. After everything is done in this area, next thing is the automated sieving. Okay. I wanted to make granite. I think that's probably not enough. So I will need more of these. Oh, that's it already. That is not enough. I will just make the... I don't know. I need to make the lava production to make more of the granite and diorite cobbles, and then I don't need to waste the nether quartz anymore. So I'm planning to make 4 barrels, 4 large stone barrels for lava. So these could go... I'm just gonna make one first. And of course, wall share more here. And wait. Where is it? Yeah. Okay, the center has to be open. I could actually already use the stone bricks for the bottom. I make it more this way. Okay. Then just going to make one for now. And I also need the soulfire campfire. That needs... Okay. I quickly need to do one more barrel. And some sand. And I just auto dump. Actually, I just auto dump this one for a second. And put some here. I need like 4 anyway. I'm just gonna make... what was this campfire? Oh yeah. 4 and yeah, one more for later. Okay. I need some wrought iron for the hatches. So more iron, which is almost gone. But now we have cobblestone. Gravel, automated. So easily just make more. Yeah. Make an extra campfire. Yeah, yeah, exactly. But I don't know, bulk walking. I think there's not that many recipes, right? Only soul sand. I think I don't really need to build a contraption for that. Just occasionally. I could have made blackstone like that. Wait. It's fine. It's fine. Should I? Yeah, I need more copper dust. Okay, then... Ah yeah, the wrought iron for the hedges. Okay, ULV. I think I need... I need one input bus and one output hedge. Yeah. And it's war shared, so 2 input bus, 2 output hedges. But anyway, one is enough for now. One of each. Chest. Ah. And I'm of course out of red alloy. Red alloy. No redstone. Okay. But I have the dust. Okay. That should be enough for a few. Oh, don't. How good I just started making these. Can I actually, yeah, I could actually already make all of them. And wood planks. And more wrought iron. I do have 4, yeah. Ah. Ah, okay, it was not the red alloy ingots incoming. Because no, what did I just replace? I think bronze. Okay, and these are going to be cut into wires. And then the rubber sheet. Which then make 4 of these. And I need 2 input buses. Does the... Oh, good. Actually, I don't even need the input. Ah, no. I want a wall share. And then don't put too many cables. and output hatches. Okay. What's missing? Nothing. Good. And some stone. Yeah. They are just okay. Then here. And I will make no more space here. Input here, and I just put everything on top. How high do they need to? To 3, okay. I just wait for the stone. Is it already done? Yeah. And then the input and the output hatch. That should work. Yeah, it's working. Here, there. So then, was there a circuit required? No, they don't even have a setting. Okay. Let's see. I take 2 sticks. Are they going? Yes, they are going to start making lava. Perfect. Alright, then I need some... I'm gonna set up a small automation for making these inventory cables. Instead of an item filter, why not attribute filter with Canby's attribute filter? I don't even know that existed. Okay, matches against set of attribute. Ah. Yeah, that makes things easier. Didn't I just... Ah, gold. I don't have gold. That is making things... Huh? Brass nugget. Come on. So, attribute filter. And then... okay, then, for example, let's say iron ingot. no, iron ore, for example, crushed iron, and then can be smelted. And that is a deny list, because I don't want anything to go through that can be smelted. That means, that should mean that cobblestone, right, should not go through. Why can stone be smelted? No, right? Ah. Uh... Uh... I can add plus here, so... Wait. No other... Ah, so this was anyway. Why this was... No. Can be smelted. So, so this... And then... is tagged stone, maybe? Yeah. Maybe that. Let's see. No. Because I did deny. Now it's denying everything that is... I want... I should have done that. Okay. Okay. Need one more cobblestone to test. So... everything that can be smelted, but... is... opposite. Is not tagged stone. That should be now working, I think. Ah. Not tagged forged stone. Should be denied. So allowed should be stuff that is tagged forged stone. Is there another? Uh. For stone specifically, you can add the attribute filter to an item filter alongside stone. The attribute filter to an item. Item filter. This one? I don't think that one, right? No. Yeah, you mean this one, right? Items against collection of items? Yeah. But then I can combine these here? No. But how? Or on the other side? Like here? So, did I do this correct? No, wait. First, deny everything that can be smelted. But allow stone. I'm gonna craft one more. Putting the attribute filter inside the list. Oh, okay. So I allow the stone. And this I put here. Ah, it doesn't. Okay. Let's see. I'm just gonna throw stone here. This should go. This is going through, okay. But then that is crazy. Okay, I didn't even know that you can combine these filters like that. Okay, I think I definitely need that in the future. Okay, nice. Now I've made the lava. Which they don't get any cobblestone yet, because I wanted to set up small automation for the simple storage inventory connector. So I need the trapdoors, I need chests, and then I need these items. Yeah, but the rest... Okay, what is here? So first I'm going to make a chest here. Trapdoor is also pretty easy. Chest, trapdoor. Go to the crafter. Gonna make like 4 chests and crafter. Make like 4 of these. And okay, I'm gonna make 6 because I need a few more. Then these 6, okay. And then the cable. Which needs that, and that. Yeah. No, wait. Best. Ah, yeah, and the oak. Crafter. And it's always making 6, so I'm gonna make 30. Then we got the cable with that diamond and okay, 3 diamond, ender pearl, nether quartz. I don't have any quartz, okay. So this one here is gonna be made with this, that, that, and chest and oak planks. In the crafter, 1 minute, make like 4. And maybe the I think I don't need that yet. I can craft it by hand if I need it. And the connector as well. I should make these later. Why is... Ah yeah, because I don't have any... That should make some. Cable. Anyway, I forgot to set up the connection over there. Okay. And then... Okay, I can't block the fluid. Okay. How much is in here? Okay, that's full. This is also basically full, and then this one is also filling up. And after that this one, and then the lava generation. Still I need more nether quartz. Okay. This is all working. I think I should make 3 sticks. Okay, good. Then once... Oh yeah. 2 are enough. Oh, already started. It's prioritizing. Okay, but it's fine. So I will just temporarily, I think, build a cobblestone platform. Just to get the barrels built here, and then I will just delete it once I have enough polished granite. So now I need 2 more barrels. Or actually, do I need 3 maybe for the obsidian? Oh no, that's done in the small one, that's fine. I don't need the big one because that is just faster and I don't make that much lava anyway. This process is fast enough. So I need 3 stone barrels, 2 large ones and 1 small one. So that means here 2 more, and then I'm gonna build a small one here. I will bring the water from here for the cobbles, for the obsidian. And do I need water for the pebbles as well? Yeah, okay. Then yeah, okay. Then I just bring it from here and then there, connect here. How many buckets? 2. Stone barrel. 2 for the large ones. I don't even have hot iron anymore. Do I have it treated? That I still have. The input bus is pulled from the... Ah, okay. From the connectors, yeah. That is not enough. This one is also not running anymore. I need way more iron. Time to set up the automatic sieving. I need the plates, yeah. And the stone slab. Wait. Oh no. For the fluid pipes I need these. And the bronze plates I probably had. Ah, maybe that's enough. So I need to get the lava out into the input bus for these. That can be here. An input bus. And then also for the obsidian can go here. Then water from here. I need way more. Of course, I don't have any. How do I have copper dust? Almost nothing. Tin dust? A lot, okay. That's good. in dust. Okay. Then that's also working. Yeah, that's also working nice. Some more pipes. Oh no, wait, first put everything in here. I also actually needed to make 2 of these, plus get some stone. Here. Ah, I forgot actually to craft the buses. This time I needed, I think I need 2 input hatches actually. Yeah, 1 for lava, 1 for water, and then 1 output bus. So, yeah, not enough wrought iron. I'm just gonna do the entire stack here. That's obsidian. Why? Ah, okay, I did not activate them yet. That should make obsidian. And I'm gonna craft some more drawers. So this one is obsidian. Here I can use the item pipes for this small distance. Actually, I could have just connected these 2. Yeah, and I will do that because I need to pump the water to there as well. This automatically outputs to here. And then I don't have enough pipes. Do I have bronze? Yes. Number 10. And yeah, good. I'm wondering how you're gonna deal with assembly lines. Yeah, I thought about basically doing a small setup where I so I have basically I'm gonna do it's not gonna be a small setup, but basically a colossal chest which is gathering all outputs from the assembly lines, and then you can put the factory gauges on connecting to these storage links. Like I will make basically a sub network for the assembly lines, and then just basically say that these storages, that the assembly line sub storage is supposed to have like four, always four ZPM motors or something. And then I don't know, maybe like I have the items input already set up, but the assembly line is deactivated, and then the redstone link will activate the assembly lines. I don't know yet, because the problem is also I have only 9 slots, so everything above 9 slots is gonna be a bit difficult. Maybe these I have to then a full passive setup for each component, maybe that is over 9 items. That means hundreds of assembly lines. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. If it really doesn't work out at all, I may make like short, small applied energetics setup for the assembly lines. If it's impossible to do with this, but only if it's really impossible. Otherwise, I will try to build something using this conveyor system. What was I? Wrought iron. Okay, so I need input hedge, output bus. And I think, yeah, I need to make red alloy again, which I probably don't have enough redstone. Okay, how much I can make? I need like 6, I think. Red alloy ingot, make the plates for the wires. And these also need some of these planks. And then wire. I have enough rubber right now. Rubber, yes, okay. That is enough to make 3 glass. And no, not output hatch. Chest. Okay. No, actually I need more than one. Because one is making granite, one is making diorite. That means I need more red alloy. I should have just crafted more. But I don't have the redstone. Okay. Um, mm, mm, mm. Red alloy. Ah, I forgot. So, red and wire, rubber. Alright, I didn't even make casing. And chest. Okay. Stone. Some fluid pipes. I actually need more for the water as well. And the input hatch for the water. And then... hello? Okay. Here goes the lava. Then before I build it, actually I have to check. So diorite is 2 and granite is 3. Oh, no, wait. I have to do that. Seriously? I will just make granite for now. Because that's what I need right now. And then build more hatches. This one I don't need, but okay. What did I do wrong? They have an output bus and 2... Ah, okay. But that was fast. Then I just put 2 drawers here for a second. Just gather a bit up, build the rest of that. And then build some proper storage over here. Okay, but for now I will just let this be running in the background. I need to eat something. And then I'm gonna stream later again, maybe, probably. So See you then. Bye bye.